My name is Scott Fish, and I'm the lead grounds here at Estacada School District. When I first started, it was just John and I. And John was maintenance, I was grounds, and we did everything from, it's hard to, we did everything. And now we've got more maintenance. We do custodial, we back. When people are gone, I'll do custodial, Andy will do custodial. If I was gone for 2 months, somebody else helped out at grounds. So it's grounds, maintenance, and custodial are kind of all grouped in. Everybody comes to work with a happy face, and it's a nice place to be because you feel welcome. Everybody welcomes everybody. And there's definitely a lot of work to do, and the obvious things: mowing, edging, fall maintenance, leaf cleanup. We do a lot of maintenance on the fields for athletic events, from lining the fields, preparing them for the games, preventative roof maintenance, just everything that deals with the outside. What I like most about grounds and maintenance is being outside. I enjoy the outdoors and being able to improve the grounds, make things look better, make things safe for the students, staff, and community is a great feeling. The Estacada community really has everybody's back. It seems like the community supports each other, the businesses, the school district. We've got a great relationship with the city of Estacada, borrow and equipment and so forth. So I think the community as a whole really comes together. The expansive facilities, grounds, I think we've got close to 90 acres out here. It is challenging at times. So I think the vastness of the property is probably the most challenging. Administration is, in the last couple of years particularly, has been great support. Just the amount of equipment and resources that they make available to us make our job easier. My favorite part of the day is probably at the end of the day when you can kind of reflect back and see what you accomplished through the day and see that it was a positive influence for the district, and you can kind of step back and say, hey, that looks pretty good. I'd just like to say, I love Estacada, I love what I'm doing, and plan on being here for a long time.